How to watch YouTube videos while using other apps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps. Now, YouTube essentially doesn't offer an option to use it or play it in the background. Now, you can however watch YouTube while using other apps if your device supports it or gives you the option. Now in my case, I'm using an Android device, Samsung A73, and I have an option to do so. Now I'll show you how to do it. Now if you open up the YouTube app, and then here you can always play your videos or open up a certain video and play it here. Now to run it in background, what you need to do is first tap and hold up here and you'll get this all the apps running in the background. Now once here you'll get the three dots option, and there you can choose to play it in the background. In my device however, if you have the same device or if you have a similar device, then what you want to do is then tap and then hold on YouTube, and you can see drop here for pop-up view. Now you can drag it here or wherever you like, and I'll just drag it here, and you can see my YouTube has as opened. Now I can select an app here to play another app. Now I'll just open here Facebook. Now you can see that I can watch YouTube on my upper half of my screen, and I can use Facebook on my lower half of my screen. All you need to do is pair the app, and you can use multi-screen option where you can use multiple apps on your screen. So this is the only way you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps. There is no particular option on the app itself. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.